morning, everyone. Yeah, I can really tolerate waking up to this great Japanese maple out here. Morris is waiting for me on the bench. Hey, bud. He wasn't here a while ago, so I didn't rush out, and maybe you saw Marty in the chair. I'm sure he'll be glad to do round 2 of breakfast. Let's go get him fed. All right, sweet Morris, here's your food. Hi. Thank you for greeting me with your pretty meows every morning. Sweet meows, I guess. Hi, bud. Good morning. You can come up too, Mort. We'll let Stripe out after he ate a bit in the house, and lately his pattern has been to go on a walkabout and not be too close, which I don't like. But when the weather's pretty, they roam. Fix my bricks. Every morning I gotta fix my bricks. You said that you were often far away. First thing now, doing your walkabout. Are you back? Thank you. You gonna hang with me while I clean the water? It's in the 60s already. Was cloudy, but it's mostly sunny now. It's gorgeous out here, and we got people taking care of leaves, which I get. This tree is even much more magnificent overnight here. I'm really enjoying it. It does not look quite this pretty from the ground, but boy does it look pretty from up here. I finished fertilizing the camellias and azaleas. I carried that 8-pound bag of fertilizer all over the yard, and I pulled out leaves and walked the hill a couple times, and it was some good exercise. You would think I would be the fittest person on the planet, considering how much effort I put into being out in the fresh air and doing things in the yard that require a fair amount of exercise. I'm trying every day. Stripe didn't follow me, but I knew where he was sleeping, and he was being a good boy. Hey, buddy. Hi. Well, I guess it's a good thing I spent so much time outside this morning, because otherwise I'm not sure if you could pull me into the gym today or not.
Why is that?
It's just that pretty out here.
Yeah, it is nice.
I'm not looking to avoid being outside, but I got to spend time outside today. You haven't gotten to spend time outside.
No time for Don.
It's gotten really late in the day, but this is Don's lunch, snack, first meal, pre-dinner, whatever you want to call it. Well, it's 5:20 and it's basically dark out there. Sucks. I'm gonna work on the Lego Santa minifigure guy here. I'm gonna do at least bags 3 and 4, and we'll go from there. Well, I did bags 3, 4, and 5. I got the arms built and the legs built and the start of the head. So I've got 6 and 7 to finish it, and I'll probably do that tomorrow.